What's up, viewers and subscribers? I don't know whether you're back with the next video. I not really post some video because I have some whole heap of things I sort out. So as soon as I'm done sort out that, I will start post more often. Please, me I beg you don't bash the thing. You don't know when time it come to a point in time when time you have to just take care of some business and straighten out something and make some things happen. Yeah, that's the point and that's where I am at right now. So, viewers and subscribers, the rain. Boy, I may I tell about the rain. The rain are going away. So, as you know, see by now, or who don't know, I come from St. Thomas. You understand me? And John, me I tell you, say, it's not a normal sight when I see the roadway for come to St. Thomas. Right now. Even in Bull Bay, me have some clips on my phone for show now. It's not a normal sight. One heap of my friends them and so forth went to work yesterday and came home in the middle of the night because them could have passed Bull Bay. Me no know the persons them where mind the river. It's like them mine the river and them dump up back the loose dirt or loose sand to the side. So even when the rain fall and the water come heavy, it just wash away the dirt easily. You understand me? My suggestion is that if you are going to do that, just pack some stone to the side of the river banking. That more easier. I feel like that better. Because if them did do that, things would have more better and the river banking would wash away. Even which part I live right now, but I tell you. Yesterday the water come right up on my veranda. Right up. My veranda is about 2.5 feet high off the ground. And believe you me, the water come right up to my veranda. You get me? My neighbor house flood out and a bag of something. Now, guys, the more I want to make you know is that you just keep safe. You understand me? And keep on the phone fully charged just in case you have to call anybody for help or call the nearest police station or whatsoever. You get me? Just want to keep on yourself straight and keep on yourself safe.